Need more money? Some tips for starting a home business. No matter the experience that you have in your home business, you are going to benefit from the information that is included in the following video. These tips and tricks are going to help you make the most of the efforts that you have put into opening your very own home business. Can you describe what your home business does within the span of an elevator ride? If your business purpose can be summarized well in only a few sentences, it can impress prospective clients. Within this soundbite is also the base for your business slogan. After all, everything important about the business is in the soundbite. Offer a free product or other item on your website for every visitor. This can be a printable item for visitors to print directly from your website, such as a party invitation or children's game. You can also find an affiliate product that has no charge for the visitor but earns you an affiliate commission for each referral. Most people who start a home business have dreams of huge success and wealth. This is great, but when running a home business it is a good idea to learn to celebrate and get excited about the small milestones, not just the big ones. Small milestones happen a lot more often than large ones. Being able to get excited over little achievements will keep you motivated and prevent you from giving up. Make sure your website's name is catchy and memorable. Your domain name has to be easy to spell so they can remember it. The key to an effective domain name is to remember to keep it simple and make it catchy. You can use a number forwarding service or online phone service to conduct your business calls with. Using your home phone number is not advised for home business owners. A new online phone number is a minimal cost, and has all the functions of a regular telephone. Best yet, it's safe. Don't wait for an order. Ask for it. Tell your prospects what to do and make it easy. Don't force visitors to blindly scour your website, digging around to finally stumble onto an inscrutable order page. Encourage purchases everywhere. Be generous with product marketing and bright green buy now buttons. If you don't ask, you won't get. Now that you have knowledge of the tips and tricks that will help you in your home business venture, be sure to put them all to work for you. If you take the information that was included in this video and incorporate them into your business plan, you are sure to see the positive results that you seek. Student loan,